Hi, my name is Monica Petrucci. I'm the editor of Kitchen and Cooking here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the GE Immersion Blender. Out of all the immersion blenders we've tested here at Reviewed, this is one of our favorites. At just 3 pounds, the base is light enough to hold in one hand for long periods of time, especially thanks to the ergonomic silicone handle. It features a 500-watt blender with buttons for 2 speeds, low and high, making it incredibly intuitive to use. It comes with 3 accessories: the traditional blending attachment, a whisk attachment, and a food chopping attachment. The attachments are designed with a stainless steel finish that make them easy to clean afterwards by tossing them into the dishwasher or giving them a quick rinse by hand. Here are some things we like about the GE Immersion Blender. The powerful motor performs extremely well. We put this blender through a variety of tests to gauge how well it performs. First, we used it to blend a smoothie. The smoothie contains specific ingredients like frozen fruit, leafy greens, and flax seeds that are typically difficult to blend, and this machine performed extremely well at combining all the ingredients. We also used it to blend up ingredients for soup, and it did so faster than any of the other immersion blenders that we tested. The included accessories work incredibly well. Most immersion blenders are known for including this blender head accessory, but this one stretches its versatility even further with additional attachments like the whisk and the chopping jar. And both of the attachments worked extremely well during testing. The chopping jar helped us produce well-combined pesto, while the whisk helped us achieve airy homemade whipped cream. It's comfortable to hold for long periods of time. The ergonomic silicone handle on this immersion blender made it extremely comfortable to hold even during longer, more tedious tasks. At just 3 pounds for the base, it's easy to hold for long periods and hold down the 2 buttons while you're blending without your arm getting too tired in the process. While there is a lot to love about this immersion blender, there is one thing that we didn't love during testing. The blender doesn't come with a separate container for blending. Other immersion blenders we've tested typically come with a cylindrical style container that make it easy to blend things like smoothies and whipped cream without having to search your cabinets for something different. During testing, we needed to scrounge through our pantries to find a container with tall sides that were tall enough to avoid any splashing during smoothie and blending tests. This isn't a huge fault, just something to keep in mind if you consider buying this product. You might just want to buy a separate jar that could be great for tasks specifically like that. Overall, the pros are: the powerful motor performs extremely well, the included accessories work well, and it's comfortable to hold for long periods of time. While the cons are, it doesn't come with its own container for blending. Should you buy the GE Immersion Blender? Absolutely. We think this is a valuable kitchen must-have with a small price tag for what it can do. At just $50, this tool can perform a wide variety of tasks, and it can do so quickly and efficiently. Whether you're just looking for a tool to get through soup season, or you're looking for a kitchen sidekick to help with a myriad of tasks, this GE appliance is a workhorse that comes at a great value. For the full review, head to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.